What you're looking at now is there's a few other buttons on the guess you consider the left side where these other things are like your white balance and your gain. To look to the right, um, where is your SD card? Your SD card is in here. So there's a little window pops that opens up, slides open like that. You press it down, goes in like that, takes it out, put it back in, clicks it in, and you know it's in there once it goes from red to green. You close that. Okay, some other things that you have here, um, like there's this thing called zebra. I keep it on. What is zebra? You might even see a little zebra icon in there. What is that? Well, basically what that is it's supposed to like show hot spots. Okay, this is real important um, when you're doing your exposure and stuff like that. These There should be some hot spots. There should be no. It should never be any like striping. It should show, but you don't want it all zebra. You want, and when should you see that? Especially if it's a sunny day, things that are like white. Heck, if you're shooting up and you see lights, it should all be zebraed. Or if it's like you're outside, there's sun, there's some metal there, that should have some zebraing. It kind of tells you how hot something else. So that can also help with when you're dealing um, with exposure. And like I said, that's right there. And you'll know because there'll be actually a little zebra icon in the viewfinder. So that helps along with it. And then there's like a thing that's called low lux. Now that is something I try not to touch much. That is another tool like gain. It can give you um, extra exposure, extra artificial light, but you have to be real careful with it because what it comes up with is it will definitely give you some what we call video noise. Stuff will be grainy and you don't want it grainy, but it can work. Like I said, you only use that inside, and if you try to open up your iris as much as possible, then that's something you can do. That's another tool that they have. I don't use it too often. And also we also have another thing, and that is you have like camera review, which is right here, and it'll show what you just kind of recently recorded. I don't use it all that often. Display just changes the viewfinder display. It'll either give you more or less little things to pay attention to in your viewfinder. But yeah, those were the other big things there.